Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing at 133 Elizabeth Street in beautiful Pickering Village. This John Boddy Devonshire model features 3 bedrooms, open concept second floor, which could easily be turned into a 4th bedroom. But to tell you more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, let's take it away.
A beautifully maintained 3-bedroom John Boddy home situated in the heart of Ajax's sought-after Pickering Village neighbourhood. Welcome to 133 Elizabeth Street. Bringing exceptional curb appeal to this Devonshire model is a brick exterior, a front yard professionally landscaped with perennials and interlocking, as well as stone steps to its covered front porch, where an updated front entry door with scrolled wrought iron and frosted glass insert opens into a tiled foyer with a double coat closet. The main level has a warm and inviting atmosphere and showcases commercial-grade dark cherry laminate flooring in the reception area, as well as the living, dining, and family rooms, has been freshly painted throughout with a beautiful designer color palette, and California shutters on almost all the windows allow for light control and privacy. The living and family rooms are open to each other, their large windows providing views of the front and backyards respectively, and the family room has the additional coziness of a gas fireplace finished with a brick mantel, wood shelf, and a tiled hearth. The kitchen and breakfast area enjoy abundant natural light from its northeast-facing exposure, and this gorgeous workspace features ceramic flooring and backsplashes, stone counters with a stainless steel double undermount sink, its bay window finished with a ceramic tiled ledge, upgraded appliances including dishwasher, oven with gas cooktop, and fridge with bottom mount freezer, beautiful dark colored cabinetry with lots of storage including a pantry, as well as track lighting and a ceiling fan. The walkout opens to a professionally landscaped backyard, where an interlocking walkway joins 2 separate interlocking patio areas, the rear patio surrounded by armor stones, and this low-maintenance retreat also has 2 artificial grass surfaces, one which is a putting green. Oversized entries gives the formal dining room a wonderful open feel, and this elegant entertaining space is brightened by the ambient lighting of a scrolled metal chandelier. The main level also features a laundry room with a tiled floor, front-load washer and dryer, a secondary coat closet, and access to the double-car garage. A renovated powder room updated with a furniture-style vanity with stone counter, as well as a staircase with a dark-stained hardwood railing that has been finished with upgraded 40-ounce carpeting, which also flows throughout much of the upper level. Other important features of the home include a new roof, furnace, air conditioner, humidifier, and air cleaner, as well as 200-amp service. And the lower level of this home is unfinished, offering wonderful potential for additional recreational and household storage space. With potential to be converted into a 4th bedroom, the open space between the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms is currently a relaxing library and reading area with a ceiling fan, which enjoys natural light through a southwest-facing window and from the skylight above the staircase. Both the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms are quite spacious, have good-sized closets with organizers, and ceiling fans, with the 2nd bedroom additionally featuring a papered accent wall with a rustic wood look. And their windows, as well as the windows in the library and in the master suite, all have California shutters. A linen closet is found right outside the recently renovated main washroom, which features a tiled floor, pot lighting, an oversized glass shower with a bench seat, rain and handheld shower heads, and tiled walls accented with a herringbone tiled border, as well as a vanity with quartz counter. Bright, yet with a relaxing aura, the spacious master bedroom overlooks the backyard and features 2 double closets with custom organizers, while its renovated spa-like ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes throughout, pot lighting, a step-up corner tub, an L-shaped corner vanity with a quartz counter, lower display ledge, and undermount basin, as well as a separate shower area with glass door. Situated in one of Ajax's most sought-after neighborhoods, this home is close to shopping, public transit, schools, the Riverside Golf Course, and the Duffins Creek Conservation Area, while the GO Station and access to Highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As you've seen, it's a beautiful home within minutes to the Riverside Golf Course. You can practice your own putting in your own backyard. Give us a call, 416-627-4610. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and make sure you check out our YouTube channel, The Poochie Team. Thank you.